Online communication, two-way communication. I'm speak to you. Yes, you. How are you? Are you fine today with your energy? How is your morale? High and high in aim. Yes. You have to again motivate your student and learner to communication and ask what you have learned today. Answer me in comment below or on their mics and camera to see their students what their skills and abilities are going. Ask them questions and more questions and more communications if student need to ask a question within their curious of mind. And learning is something curiosity, and every chaos we are exploring something in learning. So why you are not explore your learning and again learning from your students? Your skill set is more important and communication is powerful. So simple, two-way communication is powerful. You need to give your student time to speak them and encourage them. He or she can speak to you question or maybe appreciate you or need to suggest you that this is not going to understand me. That is true. Or something that your pace of learning is something high or low. We need to more example. So what the student have to share? So honestly feedback and accept it. Appreciate them. Thank you them. And if you are in hurry, so do not make them hurry. Ask them to permission to leave the class earlier. But communication well. A relationship building with you and your student is very important. Do not angry on a student had communication because it's a learning platform and we are responsible for something a student. If we get the confidence to speak, so why we are going to loud and scream? No, we have to smile and more help the students. Yeah, sometimes students maybe cross the limits, have more fun. So we make to more discipline to be sometimes show eyes and that you have to in limits and time management and things to there and every rules and regulation we have to know. The student have to learn and good pace after the learning of half an hour or learning online as same in classrooms or university at levels or professional levels, or you are going to teach them any skill, whether it's practical skills, whether it's knowledge, whether it's wisdom, it's in a business, entrepreneurship, or something, whatever you have to teach. Communication is very powerful. So you need to understand and communicate with your student every time on written or speaking, sharing the videos, the audio, and WhatsApp. There are a number of features you can share the document and they learn and teach and worksheets to assignments and get feedback of it. So let's move to the next video. Thank you.